Hello guys, welcome to Krishna Coding Fact channel.
Hello everyone. As you all know, our universe is a vast place filled with mysterious, but nothing is more terrifying than a black hole. These are regions where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape. But have you ever wondered what would happen if the two biggest titans in the known universe actually collided? I am talking about a face-off between Phoenix A beast so large it could swallow our entire solar system multiple times, and Ton 618, the former king of the cosmos. Would this collision tear the universe apart, or is there a reality we haven't ever imagined yet? Today, we are diving into the myth versus reality of this cosmic war. The silent war, myth versus reality. Now, many people think that when these two giants crash, there would be a massive explosion, a Big Bang 2.0, with a sound that echoes across the stars. But that's actually a myth. The reality is far more haunting because space is a vacuum. There is no air to carry sound. This means the biggest collision in history would be completely silent.
However, don't let the silence fool you. You would not hear it, the universe would feel it. The collision releases gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space-time. These waves are so powerful that they literally stretch and squeeze the space around them as they travel across the universe at the speed of light. The death spiral. This is not a quick accident like a car crash, it's a slow, agonizing process called the spiral. These two monsters dance around each other for millions of years. As they get closer, their gravity pulls them in tighter and tighter, and they begin to spin at nearly the speed of light. Imagine billions of suns worth of mass moving that fast. The gas and dust surrounding them, known as the accretion disk, would heat up to trillions of degrees, releasing so much radiation that it could wipe out life in any nearby galaxy. It's a level of energy that our minds cannot even comprehend. The merge and the twist. Another common belief is that the bigger black hole will simply win and destroy the smaller one, but in reality, they would not destroy each other, they become one. They merge to create an ultramassive black hole, a new god-tier entity that reshapes the center of its galaxy. But here's the most shocking part, the kickback. Sometimes during the merger, the gravitational waves are released unevenly. This creates a recoil so strong that it can literally kick the newly formed black hole right out of its galaxy. We are talking about a monster with the mass of 100 billion suns wandering through deep space like a raw bullet, devouring everything in its path with no home to call its own. So, the collision of Phoenix A and Ton 618 is not just an end, it's the birth of a new cosmic mystery. It reminds us just how small we really are in this massive violent universe. What do you think? Could there be something even bigger than an ultramassive black hole out there? Let me know your theories in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more mind-blowing space facts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.